Hi, this is Stauch and I'm on the loose today in Montpelier. We're here at the Capitol. We had a rally today. There was a rally of Fairpoint workers and some of the union reps, and the governor was here. There were some state reps and senators who were speaking on the behalf of the workers and the workers' rights. And one thing that I had asked the governor is the 911 system intact? And he said, yes, it is. He said he was going to work towards trying to get Fairpoint back to the bargaining table, but as you know, they went to the bargaining table earlier this week, and it lasted for less than 1 hour. So it doesn't look like anything's moving on that part of the deal, but you know, how can you negotiate with Wall Street? Wall Street is not a person. That's my that's my attitude on that one. But so enjoy the show, and thanks again.
Fighting up here for Fairpoint. You gave them an opportunity to succeed, and quite frankly, they're screwing you. They're screwing you right to the wall. It's like leaving you in the middle of the night and leaving you without any dignity at all. And I think it's a shame. And I think the problem we have in this country right now is no one's paying attention to the working people. No one's paying attention to the middle class. You're the middle class. You're what built this country. And they're tearing you apart. And they know it. We have people sitting in Washington, D.C. We got people sitting in New York City that are controlling what's going on right here and controlling the negotiations of what's happening here at Fairpoint. And it's wrong. And I think it's time for the politicians to get off their dead butts and give us a damn hand. Yeah! Look, the only thing I want to tell you is stay strong. I know it's difficult. I know it's tough to be on strike. We'll do everything we can possibly to help you. You got a vice president here that'll give you anything you need. But I can tell you one thing, don't crumble, please, because everybody in the country is watching you right now. Everybody. So thank you very much for being here. If there's anything we can possibly do to give you a hand, we're here to do it. Thank you very much.
Okay, can you just tell me what you just told me about that poor soul?
Okay. Home Health contacted me at home, knowing that I was a Fairpoint employee, about a patient, you know, with no landline, lives in a non-cell area, you know, so he can't, you know, contact, you know, his doctor or whatever there. And Home Health shows up to work on him. He's an amputee with one half of a foot missing, and they wanted to know how to get him a landline. And I said that, you know, there was nothing I could do, and I gave her, you know, a number for management to see if there was something management could do for this poor soul.
Do you think they'll take care of it?
My boss is a compassionate person, so I'm hoping that, you know, that he's able to do something.
So you just told me a story that the real impacts of this strike is not only the employees and the company, but people that use the services that are going to really suffer.
Especially rural Vermont. Rural Vermont is probably going to be one of the hardest hit areas. Not all of rural Vermont has Comcast or Charter for internet service. You know, I'm not going to say that, you know, but primarily in rural Vermont, it's Fairpoint. It's not anything else out there.
Thanks.
You're welcome.